Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying 3 prerequisites: your phone model, Android version, and Samsung account sign-in. Once confirmed, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and open settings. Next, search for apps then notifications. This directs you to where ad controls live. Make sure to locate Samsung Free or the Samsung Home app entry now. That's the first actionable step that lets you disable promotional content and stop video ads at their source. Once you're in the app settings, you'll remove the app's ability to push videos. Tap Permissions and Notifications, then disable Show Notifications and any autoplay toggles. This blocks most ad playback. Also restrict background data to stop preloading. If the option exists, uninstall updates or disable the Samsung Free/Home app to revert it to a non-ad version. These middle steps cut both notification delivery and in-app autoplay, which is why they stop. Finish by cleaning related settings so ads don't return. Long press the home screen, open home settings, and turn off recommendations to remove promoted content. Then audit browsers, launchers, and third-party apps for autoplay or ad permissions and disable them. Restart your phone and clear caches for apps you changed to ensure settings apply. If ads persist, a factory reset can help, but only as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if ads reappear after updates, repeat the disable and restart steps immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.